back to my channel. I'm Megan Yvonne if you're new. If you are just tuning in, thank you. Welcome to the channel. If you are a current subscriber, a new subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. So glad to have you guys back. Thank you for joining the family. So today's video is all about this look right here. I wanted to create something fun, something flirty, something date night inspired. Okay, so because my hair is colored, if you wear your hair, if you wear different colors, if you wear your hair in different styles, you know, if you're a makeup girly like myself, you know that sometimes, you know, your typical makeup look just doesn't hit the same. So sometimes you have to tweak a little thing. So for today's look, I did do a video on how I match my eyebrows to match my hair. So if you haven't seen that, I will link that up in the cards as well as in the description box. But today's video, I wanted to do something date night inspired, something that will bring the drama, but that would not take a ton of time. Because sometimes you want something cute, you want something flirty, and maybe Bae is saying, hurry up, hubby is saying, come on, we gotta go. So you want something, you know, really cute, really fun, but you don't want something that's gonna take a ton of time. I don't have time to do a smoky eye. I don't have time to do a really dramatic look, but I can do a dramatic wing, and I can play on the lip color and add some fun. So for this particular lip color, I did do a red lip, so classic red lip, but I did do it with the twist and I added a purple liner. I talk about my must-have red lipsticks that you should have, need in your collection, and I did a video on that, so I will link that up in the cards as well as in the description box. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, stay tuned for the video. Hi guys, so first I'm going to start off with my Brow Freeze by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Then I'm going to go in with my Rare Beauty Brow Pencil, and I'm just going to set the gel down to kind of, you know, warm up to my face. And I'm going to start by concealing my eyes before going in with my foundation. So of course it's the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation, OG, a favorite of mine. Then after, you know, smoothing out the foundation, I'm going to go in and I'm going to smooth out the concealer on my eyes. So this is going to be like my first round of concealer, if you will. And then I'm going to set that with a little bit of translucent powder. I'm going to then go in with the pencil side of my brow pencil, my Rare Beauty, and I'm going to kind of start working on defining the shape. That includes using some concealer to really define the top and the bottom, and as you'll see throughout the video as it progresses, that I'm going to go back and forth just trying to get them even, because again, this is not going to be my natural brow color, so I want to make them as even as possible and make sure that they're symmetrical. So it's going to be a lot of concealing, using the concealer and then brushing them out, combing them out, going back in with the actual brow pencil and then combing them out again. Then I'm going to move on and I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer under my eyes and then the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick around the perimeter of my face, and then my Charlotte Tilbury Radiant Concealer. Again, I really like the glow that this concealer gives, so I'm just kind of using that in the center of my face and adding a little bit with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to go ahead and blend my contour out, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and blend the concealer out, starting at the top of my face and working my way down and then under my eyes. Now I'm just going in and I'm going to set my face with some translucent powder. I put a light layer down at first and then I went in to do my baking. So because again, we're just focusing on this eye look, we're going to bring it together. I did a little bit of baking for this look. I am going to use my bronzer to do a slight contour, and then I'm going to go in with my liquid liner by Anastasia Beverly Hills to get that nice dramatic black line. I'm doing it a little differently in that I did both of my lines first, but we try our best it happens to the best of us. Sometimes our lines are not equal. And I was looking back over my footage and I'm like, it looks like one of them wasn't as thick as the other. But like I said, it happens to the best of us. The look still turned out cute. And, you know, I was pleased with it. I just know, like, now I really have to go back. I think this is where I added a little too much on that one side, and that's where it made it uneven, but it looked really cute in the end. And with your lashes and stuff, you know, you can pretty much get away with it. If I would have seen it earlier, I definitely would have went in with my concealer to kind of fix that, but I didn't see it until I was editing, so yeah, that's that. But I did go in with some more of the brow gel to kind of just go over and really set my brows. And now I'm going in with my, not my concealer, my mascara on the top and the lower lashes. Because I was putting on a lash and it was all about the liner, I wanted something to kind of even out the look. So I did go in with some mascara on my lower lashes. And yeah, I thought it was really cute. Now I'm just using my brush to kind of smudge out a little bit of that lower mascara on my lower lashes. Now I'm going in to do my lips. So I'm using a dark purple liner. It's in the color Date Night by Morphe. It's a really good pencil. I really love it, and it goes with so many of my colors. So I talked about this in my other video where I talk about the must-have red lipsticks, but this is a combination that I love to use for fall because it can give you that ombre look with just the different color with the red and the purple. And I know a lot of people wouldn't think to pair them together, but it really does. I think it really looks cute. So yeah, that's the look. And then I'm just going to go around and clean around my mouth, because as with red and darker colors in general, you just want to make sure that your lines are crisp. So yeah, that's the look. So yeah, you guys, this is how the video turned out. Again, it brings the drama, but it's not competing with the hair. Again, I did a video about how I match my hair and my eyebrows, you know, without dyeing them or bleaching them. So if you haven't seen that already, I will link that in the cards as well as in the description box. But also, like, I just really like how the look turned out. It brought the drama with the lip color and the eyes, but it makes a statement without overwhelming the look, okay? Also, my new videos go live every Tuesday and Friday at 12 p.m. So if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Also, take some time to subscribe to the channel, because we want you to join the family. We are having a ton of fun over here. But subscribe to the channel, join the family. Welcome. We want you to be a part. We want to have some fun, and I just want you to, you know, learn and grow with me. On this channel, I share things about makeup, tips and tricks. I recently just launched my new makeup series, Megan's Makeup Moments, where I share stuff that I wish I would have known as a beginner in makeup, and you know, things that would have helped me and saved me a ton of time and effort. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, so you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. Again, like I said, my videos go live on Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. Eastern time. Also, go ahead and comment below. Tell me what your favorite part about the look is, or, you know, what's your go-to thing for date night. You know, me and hubby are always looking for ideas and things to do. Just kind of like out the norm, something to do, you know, besides, you know, like go to dinner. You know, like I like to eat, but, you know, we're looking for other things to do as well. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. And yeah, comment down below. I would love to chat with you in the comments. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah.